Okay, so in this video we can see how to filter data using slicer tabs. So first let's see how to do it using the regular downward arrow marks on top of the columns. So using this you can sort from A to Z or reverse from Z to A, as well as sort by color. You can also select a part of the data to filter just that. You could also sort it using the different headings given, that is the department or the joining year. You could select each particular entry that to filter it by. You could filter it by just sales, you could filter it by just HR, you could filter it by the years as well, you can filter it by the joining year. Now let's see how to open up the slicer tab. To do this, you can simply just drag select the entire data you want to use, and then under insert go to slicer and choose the categories under which you want to use the slicer tabs.
So basically this will help you filter up the data to whatever specific customizations that you need. You can also change the color of them. Example, take yellow or grey, or maybe you can change it to orange also. So yeah, and then HR, it will give me data only on HR. Then I put IT, it will give me data on IT. Marketing, similarly it will give me data on marketing. Sales, similarly it will give me data on sales. It will categorize that. And then 2029, it will give me 2029 data, 2022, 2020 similarly. And if you take out the filler, it will go back to the original data, and then you can select your data again. 2021 HR, 2021 specific, you can go for that. Remove the slicer and it will go back to the original data. Now if you want to select more than one data, what you can do is, instead of adding those data, you can just remove whatever is not required for you by removing HR. Example, HR goes out of the data list. Then marketing, you only have IT and sales now. And if you want to remove a particular year, maybe then 2020 data goes out. And then if you want to remove maybe 2022 goes out. Similarly, you can go for IT, specific year. If you want it to be removed, you can do that. And it removes the data.